Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install apps from Google Play Store on Black Shark Pad SE. First of all, you have to make sure that you have internet access on your tablet, so swipe down the control center and check your Wi-Fi, or if you're using the mobile data, check your mobile data, except we don't have it here. Instead, we're gonna have to hold the finger down on the internet, then tap mobile network and internet once again, and check our mobile network and whether we have mobile data enabled. After that, let's open the Google Play Store. Then you can find the application here on the dashboard, or if you're looking for some specific app, you can use search right here on the sidebar, where you can search for any application. For example, then you just have to tap install next to this application and wait until it's downloaded and installed on your tablet. And once the application is installed, it will pop up on the home screen. And we'll be able to open it. And if you want to uninstall this application, you're gonna have to hold your finger down on it on the home screen, then go to App Info, and then click Uninstall. Then OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.